Hello, good day. It's Elvis the Tableau Evangelist here, and this is another episode of the Getting Started with Tableau series. Today, we are going to look at how we can navigate the Tableau public interface, and we are going to do a basic visualization. Now, I'll go ahead and open Tableau public again. So, I'm using Tableau public 2024, the version .3. So, I've opened it. Now, last time in my first few episodes, I showed us how to load our data. So here, I want to load my own new data. So I'll come here, more. Um, let's see, I want to open an Excel sheet. Then I'll choose my data set. So I've selected my data set. So yes, um, I would choose my sheet. So this is it. So this is where you load your data. In this panel, here's a canvas. So it shows that my data has two. It's an Excel sheet. So it has two sheets. The first sheet is the data sheet, and the second sheet is the sheet with the README about it. That's the metadata of my data set. Now I'll pull it here because this helps in the data modeling. So it gives me an overview of a small table of how my data is looking like, then the basic columns. So this is how the interface looks like. Here it is a live connection because if it's live, it means that as I'm editing, it's also reflecting in the database real time and on spot. So quick changes. An extract is a duplicate of your current data set, like a snapshot where you can work with something temporal. So for example, if it's a large company database and you just want to analyze data based on the past 3 months, you create an extract of the original database and you work with it. We are using a live connection, and it means that I'm using my whole database of this Galamsey dataset. So this is a Galamsey dataset which will be analyzing and building a simple chart. This is an overview of the columns. So there's a column called sample and it goes to the end. Now the ABC is the data type. So this one is a categorical data type, it's qualitative. So I can edit it. So it's a string, you can see string alphabet 2. That's a string. Then the hash are numerical, so decimal, so you can see. So all the columns and their data types is shown here. Similarly to what you have in Excel 2, you can see the way your table structure is. And that is it. It gives you the overall view, the number of rows, everything. So then everything is set. We move to the sheet and then we see the so I'll close my previous data sheet. All right. These are current data sets. So these are current data sets. Now this is the Tableau interface, Tableau public. Your table columns show here. So the qualitative ones are above. So sample, then measure name showing that they are measures. Then your quantitative or the numerical ones. Now to start building charts, there's a principle you have to understand. Tableau categorizes columns into something we call measures or dimensions. So measures are the numerical aspect of your data. They can be either discrete or continuous. Then we have the dimensions. So the dimensions are your qualitative data, groups, categories, qualitative numbers, groups, or categories you have created for yourself. So that is it. Now we are going to create a simple chart here. Now before you create a chart, you have to assign a particular field. What do you want to plot? So you put it here at the column versus what? The rows. Then you can explore different charts here. So Tableau has various charts here which you can explore. If it is possible for you to visualize a particular plot, it is highlighted here. Then so for now, nothing is highlighted. So let's say I want to show the sample, so columns. So the different rivers, I want to see their hardness. So this is my chart here. Now, when I show you the chart, Tableau shows me different charts I can also plot. So I can plot this. The ones you can't plot, it doesn't show anything here. So you could have done a box plot, then all these type of charts. So we are going to do a bar chart. I think it came at the beginning. All right, I'm coming. So, so yeah, our bar chart is here. Now, this is how the Tableau public interface looks like. So here's where you get a chart, the show me button. You can see other charts there. Then, so this is how your interface looks like. You can export your data when you come here, save your worksheet, dashboard, everything is here. With time, we look at it. So this is the basic bar chart we have done. We can add labels. So we can add a label, color. We can color it. So if you want the river to look different, you drag that column, bring it to color. If we want to label it, we bring that column, bring it to label. So now you see that the name of the river will be on it. And there are other things you can do. So this is a simple bar chart you have done. You can do different type of charts. So you can see your chart over here. Thank you so much for joining this session. And Miss once again, this is Tableau Evangelist, and this part of the Getting Started with Tableau series. Thank you.